Have you ever wondered how everything around you came to be? How did the stars, planets, and galaxies form? How did the universe itself originate? This is the story of how the universe came to be. The story of the universe begins about 13.8 billion years ago with a singular event known as the Big Bang. But what exactly was the Big Bang, and how did it set the stage for the cosmos we inhabit today? The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space as we might imagine. Instead, it was an explosion of space itself. Imagine the entire universe compressed into an extremely hot and dense point, smaller than an atom. This singularity contained all the energy and matter that would eventually form everything we know. About 13.8 billion years ago, this singularity began to expand rapidly. This is the Big Bang. In the first fraction of a second, the universe experienced an incredible inflation, growing exponentially faster than the speed of light. During this period, the universe cooled rapidly and expanded from a subatomic scale to a size that could fit in the palm of your hand. As the universe continued to expand and cool, it reached a temperature where energy could convert into particles. The first particles to form were quarks and gluons, the building blocks of protons and neutrons. This happened within the first millionth of a second. In the next few minutes, known as the Big Bang nucleosynthesis, these quarks and gluons combined to form protons and neutrons. These particles then fused together to create the nuclei of the first atoms, primarily hydrogen and helium. As the universe continued to cool, it became transparent enough for light to travel freely. This light, known as the cosmic microwave background, CMB, is still observable today and provides a snapshot of the universe when it was just 380,000 years old. The CMB is like a baby picture of the universe, showing us a time when it was a hot, dense fog of particles. Over billions of years, this fog expanded and cooled, eventually forming the first atoms. After several 100 million years, gravity caused these atoms to clump together to form the first stars and galaxies. These stars forged heavier elements in their cores through nuclear fusion, elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, building blocks for planets and life. When these massive stars reached the end of their lives, they exploded in supernovae, scattering these elements across the universe. These elements eventually coalesced to form new stars and planets, including our own solar system. Our solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago from a cloud of gas and dust. The sun ignited at the center, while the remaining material clumped together to form the planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. On one of these planets, Earth, conditions were just right for life to begin. Simple life forms emerged in the primordial oceans, eventually evolving into the vast diversity of life we see today. And so, from a singular explosion of space and time, the universe expanded and evolved into the complex and magnificent cosmos we see today. From the tiniest subatomic particles to the vast galaxies, everything originated from that single moment, the Big Bang. The Big Bang marks the beginning of our journey through time and space, a journey that continues to unfold with every passing second. As we look up at the night sky, we are reminded of our origins and our place in this ever-expanding universe. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos exploring the wonders of the universe.